Time to hit the drawing board. What kind of bridges do we have? What are they? Let's do this. We've always had an unexplainable obsession with bridges, and every time I'm near one on my travels, I seem to pull out my phone. Every bridge across North America, from the George Washington Bridge all the way to the Golden Gate Bridge. Maybe it's the engineering, maybe it's just the marvel of what humans are capable of. We're on the Confederation Bridge. It's the world's longest bridge, spanning 12.9 kilometers.
Holy f***. Well, let me write the word bridge.
Think we got it?
Is that right?
I think that's right. That's your typical bridge.
I think that's an arch bridge.
That is an arch bridge, and that's the first kind of bridge I was going to say that we can make. There's also tied arch bridges. There's a trussed bridge, but I don't know if I trust it. Then we got a suspension bridge, which is like the friggin' San Francisco Bridge or the George Washington Bridge. We have a beam bridge.
Beam bridge is not like a...
And it is supported. It's basically a road that's supported by beams. And then we have the last one, the cantilever bridge. And I think that's a little out of scope.
Oh.
That's a little beyond what I'm capable of.
How about this? Can not
Lever.
lever.
You know what? Why don't we do the Da Vinci Bridge?
That's what Da Vinci would do.
And draw what that would look like. Okay, so the Da Vinci Bridge uses friction. It's the one that we all did in junior high. And you put the sticks together and then it compresses. So let's build a tiny version for fun, like the little shit version. And then we'll scale it up from there.
TV magic. We've already got a bouquet of bridges here.
And basically these are just sticks with notches cut out near the ends and in the middle on the other side. So we have a opposite effect, and we're just going to assemble these to form what the shape of a bridge is, very carefully. A genius invented this bridge, so idiots like us can build it, so this is what we're going to be building.
With the way this is, I feel like they could be almost any length, and we just keep adding more portions on.
I guess we'll figure it out, that's the main thing. And to get the angle of where it lands, we'll just figure out later. All right, so.
Lots of other theorems.
Dude, we did it wrong on this one. We said, let's not fuck this up. And we proceeded to fuck it up. Look at that. We even said, hey, you can roll back the camera.
Play that back.
I said,
I think we should just go a foot in on each side and direct center.
yeah, and then we got to remember to flip it for the center. And what did we do?
Mom was right about me.
Okay, so it turns out we're not halfway through. We got 2 more rounds of that to do, but let's do it. This time we'll do it right.
Yeah, let's do it right this time.
He's doing that last one. All I got to do is get some 4-footers. And I'm figuring out of one of these 16s, I can get 3 4-footers. And that might actually be enough. So we'll go 4, 8, 12, and that'll give me 4 pieces. And I cut those 3 cuts. Chuck's going to be a little disappointed in how sloppy these cuts were, but we're going to make it work.
Oh, I like these cuts. They're like 3-dimensional.
You like that? It's hard. You can't recreate cuts like that.
You can't get that in the store. Wait till you see what we have in store for you. So I think we are ready.
Get that up under there.
Underwear.
Oh. So this one would go here with our newly extra cut notch, and here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Almost there.
I was seeing if we had crossed that bridge yet.
We have not.
Oh, that's that one that's...
Yeah, we decided not to cut. It fits. Just hang on to her.
Ooh.
You're a strong guy. and I'm gonna figure out how to get you out of this. Just a second there.
I can't.
Okay.
Let's try it. Let's set it down like this. This is okay.
Very gently.
This is okay.
Yeah, you're right, it is okay. What are we doing? We're worrying about nothing. Okay. Oh, there you go. See? All you needed was a little pep talk.
Peptides.
You need a little peptide. We push everything in. Just hang on to it. Just got to be that guy for 1 second. I mean, it's there. We still have to put the two here. Really fix the place up. And we can attach this to the deck.
Yeah.
I'm sure people at home are saying they've built better bridges than this in their sleep. Or there's going to be some guy who does concrete forming on a bridge site, commercial work, who says that we're idiots and he's the guy.
But those guys are at home. That's the difference between us and them. You think I should just bend it over? What's that? Okay, don't look, don't look.
Yeah, I'm not gonna look.
And that's actually locked in. Textbook is what they, I think that's what GRK had in mind.
Here's the point now, we built a bridge. But if a human can't cross it, it's not really useful. But I trust your craftsmanship, Chuck.
Yeah. Okay, this is next.
You know what? I'm starting to think this isn't the most practical design. I'm just gonna get off the bridge. I want off this bridge.
I think we need to make this a little more pedestrian friendly.
Plan is, we're gonna build a top platform,
Top platform.
2 mid-level platforms,
2
and then
mid-levels.
ramp the rest.
Rampant. We're running rampant all over this bridge. Watch me cut this box, buddy.
So now I'm going to just nail these together into a rectangle. So now all we have to do is take this, turn it this way, and slop it on like Papa John. All right, up and over, and on. And the question is, how do we want to attach this to the bridge itself? Let's see if this will fit right in this gap.
A lot goes into building a bridge.
People don't think about this kind of stuff when they start.
I'll grab some fasteners.
Watch in here, we're gonna suck these two together. That grabbed it. You wanna hold that end?
Yep.
$134 on the dot. Almost a 164, really. There you go. These gotta be installed in place. That's one of the things. Now, what button is that to find the center? 19. Boom. So now we know our center's at the 19. And then let's do the exact same thing with this and see if we can find the center, how quickly we can find it. So right now we have it on center mode, so it just automatically gave us the center. Mark it. But basically we're just gonna line those red lines up and bridge this to that. Let's run some scabs underneath. All right, we'll do the same thing over here.
It's fun building Da Vinci bridges.
We're taking it to a level where Da Vinci is probably shaking. Yeah, I'm right.
It wants to go down
To be level?
to be level.
That's a disappointment. Because here's the
But we want to build up, so then once we put the downward forces on it,
spring action. Yeah, you got to move those fingers.
hit the top one. Sometimes if you put your finger back here, you can feel if the nail went through or not.
Yeah, by going to the finger with it.
Yeah, that's looking cool.
Hey,
That's looking damn cool.
I think we're gonna have a bridge by the time this is over. I'm starting to feel confident about it.
Oh yeah.
A lot of people can say, hey, why didn't you just spin this across?
Yeah, they're fools.
You can't, that's why. Don't ask stupid questions, you get stupid answers.
if we had a 2x6, our bottom step could be just a 2x6, which would give us that ultimate strength.
And would we run it all the way through?
Yeah.
And then it's like, why didn't you just build the boxes? Because they would have had a weak center. This gives it the mass in the center, the strength. That's the real reason. There is a reason.
I could pluck some out the snow out there. Don't just stand there, do something.
You gonna fucking help or what?
It's a beautiful day. We'll get snow blindness.
He's smart, he knows what's good for him.
It's a smart day.
He knows when to win.
I'm not that bad of a guy. Look, this is cool. We got her ready. I'll put her over there on the other side. Find any?
Yeah, I need a shovel because there's like 2 feet snow on the skid.
On top of it?
Yeah. It's one packing snow and I fucking see what I like.
He's grabbing 2x6s. I got distracted. Ow! He threw a snowball at me.
That's not very nice.
In this episode of ADHD Brothers Get Distracted from the Bridge Build, we found snowball snow outside.
I think we need to cancel our plans and do all hands on deck here. I think this has to be done by the end of the day. We need a gigantic snowball.
I'm actually about this f***ing snowball life. Motherfuckers don't know. Don't just stand there, do something.
You gonna fucking help or what? Oh no! How did this happen?
Snow tech. Yeah, I went to school with this guy. Me and this guy took the short bus together, I remember.
Oh yeah.
Hey buddy, you wanna go home?
This kind of head?
From his lobes? Do this, bring out his cheekbones on this side. Maybe we could just wear it on one of his lobes. What if he just got it on this side?
It works though. Right now he looks like Nicki Minaj.
Oh yeah.
Shape funny. I think the face even looks like her.
It does. Look at the rump roast on him. Well, I think he needs these. Tighten up his pecs. Give him tight pecs, but then give him the T-Rexes. See, what if he just has these nice T-Rexes, nice too?
Let's step back and have a look.
Oh, wow.
Let's get back to building the bridge. Now that we're done this really exciting work.
Massimo, do not hurt this guy.
I'm surprised you didn't protest as much, Massimo. You don't like building weird shit?
Wasn't making you feel unnatural?
I just didn't know where I could insert myself. I was thinking,
You get so many opportunities for one to insert themselves.
There's a lot of places you could insert yourself in that fine gentleman
tell
right
you,
there.
Slide it in, like the side of his pin. You can understand.
We can move that over, line that up with our other middle marks. All right, I'm gonna get the nail gun. I'm gonna sister these boys together. Yeah, boys can sister too. Under. But it was just making it sit. I'm going below all the action here.
We're done for the day. We're getting going. We may be back later this week. Maybe. But for now, I'd say build it, like just, I guess, spruce it up, square it up, finish that part. Check it out. Fully functional ass bridge.
Connecting there to there.
Want to see me jump off a bridge? All right, there you have it.
That's it.
Took a regular Da Vinci bridge, kept throwing a bunch of crap on it, and now
Bridge
we
the
got
gap.
what looks better than a Da Vinci bridge. Come in here and look at the sick ass
Get a look at the
structure. The problem with when you have really awesome understructure is trolls tend to make their way in here, and I mean, this looks really cool. Look at this. It's all joined up the way it was. And all we did was just throw a few steps over top of the existing Da Vinci Bridge, and now we have a bridge that I think would last forever out in the wilderness. What do you think? How long do you think this would last in someone's backyard?
In a backyard, 537 years probably.
Yeah, probably. That's a safe number. Let's just leave and let the trolls have the bridge.
Yeah. It's for the trolls.